Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down the art of attraction, relationships, and everything in between. Today's topic, it's a hot one. We're talking about how to get even the most difficult woman to fall head over heels for you. Sounds impossible? Well, not after you hear these powerful tricks. Now, before we dive in, let me remind you, love is about connection, respect, and understanding. These tricks aren't manipulative. They're about enhancing who you are so you can create a deep, meaningful connection with her. If you're ready, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. The first trick, confidence. I'm not talking about arrogance or showing off. It's all about calm confidence. Women, especially those who are perceived as difficult, are often attracted to men who are comfortable in their own skin. They can sense insecurity from a mile away, and nothing turns them off quicker. So what does calm confidence look like? It's about being secure in who you are, whether you're with her or alone. It's about walking into a room, not seeking validation from anyone. Show her that you're comfortable no matter the situation, and she'll start to take notice. Try this. Next time you talk to her, maintain eye contact and don't rush your words. Let there be pauses. Own the moment, and she'll feel your presence. Trick number 2, create mystery. Now, when I say mystery, I'm not talking about playing hard to get or being distant. It's about not revealing everything all at once. Think of yourself as a book she's dying to read. Don't give her all the chapters in the first few pages. Talk about your passions, your experiences, but leave out some details. If she asks a lot of questions, don't give it all away. Let her wonder a bit. People in general are more attracted to what they don't fully understand. If she's left wanting to know more about you, she'll keep coming back for more. When she asks, "What did you do last weekend?" don't just list everything out. Try saying, "Oh, I got into something interesting, but I'll tell you about it another time." Watch how intrigued she gets. Next up is one of the most powerful tricks, become her emotional anchor. This is all about creating a sense of safety and trust. Difficult women are often labeled that way because they're guarded or have high walls up. What you need to do is show her that with you, she can let those walls down. How do you do this? Be a good listener, not just nodding along, but actually listening, acknowledging her feelings, her thoughts, and validating them. Show empathy, not judgment. When she starts opening up to you emotionally, you're halfway there. One key move, ask her how she feels about things, not just what she thinks. When you make her feelings the focus, she'll start seeing you as someone who gets her. Here's a trick that's crucial. Challenge her. A woman who is seen as difficult often thrives on independence and strength. She's not looking for someone who will with her on everything. She's looking for someone who can challenge her mentally and emotionally. And guess what? She'll respect you more for it. Don't be afraid to disagree with her. But here's the catch. Do it respectfully. The goal is not to win, but to engage. When you challenge her with your own opinions, thoughts, and perspectives, she'll start seeing you as an equal, someone worth her time and energy. If you disagree, say something like, "I hear you, but have you ever thought about it this way?" That way, it's a conversation, not a confrontation. The 5th trick is all about leadership. Women, especially strong-willed women, are often drawn to men who can lead. But there's a difference between leading and controlling. Leading is about taking initiative, being decisive, and having a vision. Controlling, on the other hand, is about trying to dominate. When you lead, she feels like she's with someone who can handle life's challenges. But remember, always consider her feelings and opinions. A strong woman wants a partner, not a boss. Next time you're planning something, take the lead. Don't just say, "What do you want to do?" Instead say, "I've got a great idea for tonight. Let's try this restaurant." This is where a lot of guys miss the mark, making her feel desired beyond just the physical. A difficult woman is often one who is used to attention, especially when it comes to looks. If you want her to fall for you, make her feel desired on a deeper level. Compliment her mind, her heart, her values. Show her that you're attracted to the whole person, not just the surface. This trick taps into something deeper and makes her see you as someone who genuinely values her for who she is. Try this next time you're with her. Instead of saying, "You look great," say, "I love the way you think about things," or "Your perspective is really unique." Watch how it makes her light up. Last but not least, we have consistency. A woman, especially one labeled as difficult, often has her guard up because she's seen inconsistency from people in the past. If you can be consistent in your actions, your words, and your effort, you'll break through those walls. When she sees that you're not just playing games, that you're genuinely there for her day in and day out, that's when her defenses will crumble. You'll go from being just another guy to the guy. If you say you're going to call, call. If you make plans, stick to them. It's the small things that add up and show her that you're someone she can rely on. So there you have it. 7 tricks to make even the most difficult woman fall for you. Remember, it's all about respect, connection, and authenticity. These tricks aren't about manipulation, but about becoming the best version of yourself, so she can't help but be drawn to you. Dear viewers, if you like this video, do share them with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.